Hello and welcome to My Security TV. My name's Chris Cubbage and we're at Security 2012 Expo and Conference here in Sydney. I'm joined by Mr. Eric Fullerton, the Chief Sales and Marketing Officer for Milestone Systems. Eric, thanks very much for joining me.
Thanks for having me, Chris.
Eric, Milestone Systems are a well-known brand here in the Asia Pacific, and particularly the Australian market. What's some of your key points of difference, I suppose, for that Milestone System offers?
Well, so Milestone Systems is a pure software play where we offer a platform that goes from the lowest end of the market to the highest end of the market. And what our main differentiators are is our business model and the quality of our software. What we do is we segment the security platform so that you have software platform, and then you can choose which cameras and which servers and storage and network that you want to use. So what we do is that we collect the whole ecosystem around our platform and push the freedom of choice to the end user.
And in terms of trends that you're seeing in the market, and maybe some recent trends, and what are you seeing out next, sort of the next 5 to 10 year time frames for Milestone Systems?
Well, so what we brought to the market is that we brought the open platform, and we did that in 2005, 2006, so that's now already 6 to 7 years ago. And when we started talking open platform, the whole security industry was saying, well, what's that? What the open platform does is that it actually enables the speed of innovation to go faster on the software level and on the camera level. A lot of people talk about standardization, and we do have standard interfaces like ONVIF and PSIA. However, the speed of innovation is moving so fast that you can't standardize what hasn't been invented yet. You need to have your inventions done before you can standardize it. What we enable is the freedom of choice for the end user so that he can actually choose a system where he can incorporate new inventions in the future. And I think that leads to your second question of what we see in the industry in the next 5 to 10 years, is that as the power of choice is given to the end user, he's going to be able to choose what fits best to his needs. And he'll be able to choose a system that is not a proprietary one or blocks him from adding new inventions that haven't been thought of the day that he chooses his platform. And the dynamics in the industry is that we'll see that as the end users become more literate and start understanding security, as they understand IT technology, they'll start putting demands back on the channel so that the channel will have to deliver IP video and digital video rather than analog video, and that way live up to the end user's needs, and we'll see a thriving ecosystem of people with sustainable, profitable business models based on that.
Eric, in terms of trends in the market, you're from the US but visiting here in Australia, and I'd imagine internationally the trends in the market in terms of the migration from analog through to digital, your comments on that?
Also, when I compare Australia and New Zealand to the US market, we see a slower conversion from analog to IP or to digital. And there are several reasons behind that. Probably a stronger lock on the market by vendors and system integrators that are doing great with their analog products. However, we think that this is going to move fast as the benefits from IP video, networked video are so big today with better picture quality, better ways of integrating into your business operations, etc., so that the end users, as they become more literate around this, they're going to put these demands back on the channel partners and the vendors. So we're going to most likely see a much stronger and faster conversion in the Australian and New Zealand market going forward.
Great. Eric, thank you very much for joining me. Milestone Systems, it's a great company, a great brand, and a good open platform. So
thank you, Chris. Thanks for having me here at the show, and it's an exciting market.
Appreciate your time. Thanks again.
Thank you.